solve x minus 2y equals 4, 2x minus 3y equals 3. Now notice that our options here don't actually give the ordered pair. We'll have to find the ordered pair and see which of these describes the solution that we get. So let's solve the system of equations, and we will multiply the first equation by -2 and then add. So multiplying this by -2, we have -2x plus 4y equals -8. And then we'll just copy the second equation, 2x minus 3y equals 3. After doing this, we can add and eliminate the x terms. This would be 0 plus y, or just y, equals -8 plus 3 is -5. So I found a value for y. And now I need to substitute -5 for y in one of the original equations and solve for x. And I'll choose the first equation. I have x minus 2y equals 4. X minus 2 times -5 equals 4. X plus 10 equals 4. Or subtracting 10 from both sides, x equals -6. So the ordered pair, or the solution, is -6, -5. Now let's write that over here. The solution was -6, -5. You'll note that both the x and the y are negative, and that description is given as D. So D is the correct answer.